I'm a huge fan of massage chairs, and I'm super excited that Lifevibe sent the massage chair behind me. We'll be testing out every single feature built into this massage chair so you know exactly how it works, how it functions, and whether or not it's worth buying. This is exactly how the massage chair looks right out of the box. As you can see, there's a little bit of setup involved that we'll have to go through, but it does come with quite a few different accessories. We get a user manual, a quick assembly guide, a power cord, a heatable eye mask, a cover, the control panel, and the control panel arm. Assembly is pretty straightforward. We're just going to remove these flaps here and Velcro the seat into place. Then we use the zipper to zip the seat pad to the footrest. Next, we attach the touchscreen holder to the arm. After that's attached, you can go ahead and attach the phone or the tablet holder here at the top, which will allow you to watch movies or TV shows while also being able to use the touchscreen. Speaking of the touchscreen, it just slides right into the holder and it's maneuverable. You can point it in whatever direction you want to be able to use it. After that, you can plug it in, turn on the switch, and we're ready to use the massage chair. Besides the massage features, there's actually quite a few additional features built into the chair. For example, we have a wireless phone charger, a built-in reading light, Bluetooth speakers on each side of the massage chair, physical buttons, a USB-A port, and of course, the entire touchscreen. When you first sit into the massage chair, you're gonna go ahead and get all comfy. We'll have massagers for your arms on each side, also a rolling massager for your feet, and compression massaging for your calves. All of this is gonna be determined by either the touchscreen or the physical buttons. So for example, right now, the back massager is working on my back and it's pretty strong. We're also getting rolling massaging on the feet, and my arms are being squeezed on the sides of the massager. There's also music that is syncing up with the vibrating of the massager, which is pretty cool. And having both speakers on each side of you really does create some 3D sounds. Now you can either choose your own sounds by connecting your phone to the Bluetooth speakers, or you can let the massage chair use its own sounds, which right now is going to be a combination of water sounds and relaxing bells. Whenever you're finished with the massage chair will go back to the original upright position automatically. Everything turns off, including the reading light and the touchscreen. There's a lot going on with this touchscreen, so let's walk through it step by step. First, we press on this button here to turn on the massage chair. Then we can select one of the auto massage modes over here to give you kind of like an all-around experience. So for example, let's start with focus mode here, and you can probably hear the focus mode music in the background, and it syncs up with the vibrations inside of the back of the massager. It really is a cool and immersive experience. You can see all of your different settings here, including speed and roller and airbag, but if you want to tailor any of this stuff to your liking, you could just turn it on or increase it or decrease it using all of these different buttons. For example, Sonic Wave was right there set at a 3. I could have it be at a 5, which is the most vibration, or a 1, which is the lightest vibration. I could also click on zero gravity at any time, and it will put me backwards into zero gravity mode, which is pretty cool. Beyond that, we could raise the legs up, put them down. We could put the back up or down. We can turn on or off the foot roller, or increase it or decrease it. We could also pause the massage, set a specific timer, so 30, 45, 60, 15. We could dial in the air pressure, the airbags, and of course we can control the volume of the speakers. And over here, we have the heater, which we could turn on or off. We could also switch up the area of massage, change the width, the intensity, or put the rollers up or down. And if you don't like your current massage mode, you could always switch it over here on the left. So now we just switch to Dayama, and this is definitely going to be more of a relaxing type of massage compared to that focus massage. And if you want to get ready for sleep, you could click on the sleep mode here. That will give you a totally different type of massage compared to the previous two that we tested. This one now uses soft music and birds chirping and a softer massage technique overall. And if you want your classic massage, you can just click on Classic 3D Massage and it will just massage you without all those extra features. You could also do body selection where you could pick different parts of your body to massage, whether that be upper body, lower body, or legs. And then lastly, we have music syncing. And now that I'm playing music on my phone, it's actually creating a massage that mimics the music. So it's more of a fast-paced massage right now, just because it's an upbeat song. It really is what seems to be endless amounts of possibilities and massage techniques that you can try out. After testing out this chair, I was pretty impressed with a lot of the built-in features, including how strong the rollers were on my back, the immersive sound effects, and the music syncing to my phone. Those are all standout features in my opinion, and honestly, if you're looking for a new massage chair, I would recommend this one from Lifevibe. It's probably one of the best ones that I've tested out so far, and I'm super excited to use this on a daily basis. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helped.